Hi.
Hi.
Where are we going?
We're going to Wet n Wild, where I love it. And we're just in our swimming suits today. And we're playing driving. This is our pet dog, Puggy, and he's a golden retriever. What?
We are here, guys. Daddy's going to buy a swimwear kasi wala siyang swimwear, mga mamshi. Extended lang kasi talaga tong Wet n Wild na to. Wala talaga kaming plano na pumunta dito kasi nga compress yung activities natin. So sarado pa yung kanilang gift shop and si Daddy ay walang isusuot.
Oh no! We swim now?
Walang isusuot si Daddy, sarado pa yung store. Wait! Daddy needs to buy his outfit.
I need to go in the pool.
Just wait, we have a long time here. Ayan, Daddy's gonna buy na here, oh. Meron silang surf shop. Go to the slide. Come on. Go to the stairs and try the slides. Come on. We are back at the hotel. So we're back. Ito na mga mamshi, galing kami ng Wet n Wild at kami mga sunog. Sunog yarn. Ayan, we're back. Yeah. Sina Daddy nasa reception kasi magpapaalam sila para bigyan kami ng extra keys kasi nga naiwan namin yung susi namin sa loob. And hopefully mga mamshi wala siyang extra charge. Kasi kung hindi, lagot kami. So, dati dito kami sa garden wing. Park wing pala kami. Pero this time, dito kami sa bay wing. Because na-upgrade yung room namin. So, here you go. Punta na kami sa bay wing. So, they have here the spa. Tapos, meron ding gym. Tapos, dito mga mamshi, ito na yung papunta dun sa aming room. Tapos, dito may daan. Kapag pupunta ka sa resort, may daan dito. Yan, dun. Tsaka dito din pala. Ito pala. Yan yung resort nila. So, let's go up. And let's meet Dad and Ate there. Grabe, Mamshi, napaka-saya na experience namin. Wala akong balak talagang maligo, alam niyo yun. Nakaligo ako kasi trinay namin ni Alex yung isang rides doon na worth it naman, and yung kanilang wave pool. Yung wave pool nila is very worth it. Magpapahinga muna kami sa aming room, and then later, let's figure out kung saan kami magdi-dinner.
Alex, have you seen my new escapers? Who's that?
One of the scariest guys.
That's Batman and Joker.
You don't know Batman and Joker's machine.
Okay, they did the... Okay. They already did the room service. Pag-room service na sila mga moms. We are so tired. Ano na sila? Replace na sila ng towels. Yun lang naman yung habol ko sa room service, makapag-replace sila ng towels kasi nagsiswimming kami sa baba kapag hapon. Nalako ba yung ating, oo nga nalako. Kala ko hindi ko nalako yung ating safe kasi nandun yung ating mga laptop and everything. So, here's our view mga mamshis. Kali may nag-jet ski ba yun? Jet ski ba yun? Grabe yung low tide, no? Pag ano talaga sobrang brown ng tubig.
Why is that? Sand?
Yan o. Ayan mga mamshi ang aming hotel view. Napaka... Ay, grabe yung low tide dun sa dulo, daddy. Ay, no?
What happened to your... Yeah. That's a feeling. Then you shake it like this. Remember that?
Hi guys! So, we are having dinner tonight dito sa hotel lounge. Daddy, ano ang pangalan nitong ano? Sun
Cafe.
No, it's something like Sunrise Cafe. So yun. We are just gonna have dinner. And then after dinner, pupunta na kami sa lagoon. Sa pool lagoon. Para makapag-swimming naman. So sabi naman heated daw yung pool. So no worries na lamigin yung mga bata. This place has a beautiful seashore view. So, ayun lang guys. Kain muna kami. Bye! Going back to the room guys kasi magsiswimming pa yung mga bata. My God. Buhay nga ni. We're going home na mga mamshi. Yeah, we have to take the lift kasi
I will never go home.
this little one is having a tantrums because he doesn't want to go home.
I want to watch Batman.
Oh, come on, Alex.
Do you like when I want to watch a movie?
Yeah. We are checking out, guys. Hi, mga mamshi. We just left the hotel and we are on our way home. So, malayo-layo ang biyahe natin today. Si Daddy, naka-leggings. Naka-leggings yarn. We're going home. Goodbye, Queensland.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new, and I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your vanity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new, and I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. Soon as I pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new, and I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Two things can be true. Two things can be true.
First stop natin, guys. Anong lugar to, Daddy? Ito na yung tinigilan mo dati. So, sabi ni Daddy, ito rin daw yung tinigilan niya before. Yung nag-stop over siya. Na first time niya nagbiyahe from Brisbane to Sydney. So, simple lang naman siya, guys. Wala siya yung maraming fast food, but pretty decent naman yung mga food options na meron. So, we ordered a seafood pack sa amin ng kids. Tapos, si Daddy burger lang. Yung double beef cheeseburger. Also, yung ating baon na apple juice and water. Water is malamig pa rin kasi ito yung galing sa nilagay natin na water sa ref bago tayo umalis ng hotel. So, they will be trying the claw machine again. Walang sinabi yung Starbucks sa Pilipinas, no? Tapos ito daw yung burger niya. Piniflex si Daddy yung burger niya. Super burger. Burger, super burger. Nakakatulog na kasi ako dun sa sasakyan.
Ow. Mom,
Still hot? Blow it. mga mamshi, so we are done with our first stop. Nagpapahangin na rin si Daddy. Nag-check din siya ng tires niya kasi syempre, ang layo ng binahe natin from Sydney papuntang Gold Coast and now going back. And we still have na lumalabas pa dito. Let's see. So ito pa yung ating biyahe pabalik ng Sydney. We still have 6 hours and 17 minutes. So, that's gonna be... So, hindi pa kasi kami umaandar. So, hindi pa lumalabas kung ilang kilometers pa. Hindi, lumabas pala ito. It is 615 kilometers. So, ganun kalayo mga mamshi. Kasi sabi ni Daddy from our place sa Quezon hanggang Manila, parang 140 kilometers daw. Pero imagine, ilang bali ka ng Quezon to Manila yung kailangan naming biyahihin. Kasi, 615 kilometers pa. Umalis kami doon ng, I think, mga 9:30, 9, 10, 11, 12. Time now is 1. So, 4 hours na kami mga mamshi nagbabiyahe. We still have 6 hours. And that 6 hours, mababago pa yan kasi baka mag-stop over pa kami. Siyempre, magta-top up tayo ng gas, check ng sasakyan, tapos syempre kakain, bladder break and all. So far, the kids are doing great. So, how's the kids? How about you, Alex? You good? You good? Okay. So, ayun mga mamshi. So, mamaya ulit sa ating next stop. Ay, nako, mahaba-haba pang biyahe. But yeah, it's really worth it. Magandang bonding namin to ni Daddy. See you later.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Next stop, guys. Barry's Creek. Yeah.
Never the same. Never you calling my name. I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Okay. No screen. So guys, this is our next stop. Nag-bladder break lang kami at nag-top up lang si Daddy ng gasolina. So, yung aming gas na babayaran is $35 para sa full tank. So, ganun. 18 liters yung nagamit namin from our last stop. And we are here at Ample Food Dairy. Ayan. Pigilan siya mga mamshi ng trucks and cars. And hindi na kami bumili ng food dito kasi wala naman masyadong options. Meron silang toilet. And feel na namin yung lamig ng Sydney mga mamshi kasi akala namin kagaya lang yung temperature kanina pero paglabas namin ng mga bata nanginginig kami ang lamig. Si Daddy naka t-shirt lang at sabi niya bali wala daw yung lamig, hindi daw malamig, mabilis lang daw. Pero Paglabas naman niya, para naman siya nilalamig. Kasi naka-t-shirt lang siya. So, let's wait for the next stop mga mamshi para tayo ay makapag-dinner na. Kasi, ang oras na ngayon ay 4:45. So, ganun.
It's 4.
Ang ganda naman ng kotse, oh.
Mom, it's 4:47.
Ayan, oh. Ang bilis.
4:47, Mom.
Ano? Kita niyo yun?
4:47.
It's a car brand na hindi ko alam yung tatak. So, ayun, mga mamshi. Update ulit mamaya. So far, nag-e-enjoy naman kami sa sa mga view. Nag-ikot lang talaga siya. BMW na matte. Grabe, zero yung plate number. Ganda, oh. Diba? Grabe yung arangkada. Yan yung mga sasakyan na may sahuli, eh. Diba? So, yun lang, guys.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Hi mga mamshi! Hopefully last stop na namin to bago kami makauwi ng bahay at ramdam na talaga natin ang lamig ng Sydney. So, here we go! Ayaw na sana namin mga mamshi mag fast food but I think we don't have any choice. Kasi ang pamimilian lang is more on fast food.
You win.
And hopefully by tomorrow ay makakain na tayo ng home cooked
Doing
meals.
some
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Hi mga mamshi! So we are already home. Dumating kami dito ng 9 o'clock and today is 9:30. Nababa ko na lahat ng mga gamit. Ayan, ito yung ating mga dala-dala. Ayan, lahat yan. Tsaka ito. So ang gagawin ko ay ilo-load ko yung mga basang damit natin sa washing machine. Tapos nilabas ko na yung bins natin kasi today is Thursday. Bin collection ngayon. And it's good to be back with a clean home. At ito na yung mag-aama. Ayan. Nanonood sila ng Batman movie. Batman Begins. O, diba? So, nanonood sila ng TV. Maglo-load lang ako ng washing machine and this is how we're going to end the vlog. See you mga mamshi! Bye!
Welcome to the Mamshi channel.